Hi, good morning. Richard Borston here in Gainesboro, Tennessee this morning. And we've got a driveway that is fairly long. It's got a lot of material, but it was also just kind of right on the border of what we thought we could fix on its own or whether we needed to bring in some material. So the owners decided, hey, let's not roll the dice. Let's bring in some material and make sure that we don't have to deal with this again. So that's what we're going to do today. But you can see we've got some work to do. We've got this grass here that we need to get rid of. We've got this mounding in here that needs to be gone, and we also need to get this crown. You can see what it's done is it's mounded, then it's flat, mounded. And so what we needed to do is be totally crowned in here. So that's what we're going to do. So for those fans of you that are big fans of crowning, well, today is your day, my friends. We are going to crown like you've never seen a crown before. So hope you enjoy it. Alright, so Joey's already made one pass. He's gonna make pass number 2. And so you can see all the grassy mound is gone. Now we're just gonna turn it over a little more, get it evened out. See how this soil conditioner just turns everything over and just lays it back down. That's what I like about it, is we're not really moving the material. It's different than a blade, and we obviously use a blade, and grading blades are great, but in this situation we don't want to move material. We want to keep the material where it is. We just want it to, we want to turn it over and get it evened out. So you can see that that mound's not there anymore, and that's what really we were trying to get rid of, is getting that mound so that it flattens out as we prepare to bring in the material and get this crown. And when it turns like this, it lays it down and evens it out all at the same time. So it redistributes that mound across the whole spread of the attachment. So it's always amazing to me. It makes short work of things. It's always amazing how quickly it makes things look way, way better. So you can see how that's looking, and now you can see how it's looking here. So we're definitely not done. Stick around and we'll keep having you join us along the way. Hi, okay, so before Joey gets to it, I just wanted to take a minute to point this out. So there's just a little pothole here. It doesn't look like much. You can't totally see it, but it's right in here. And I wanted to point it out because as Joey comes through and grinds it, it's really important to get the bottom of this pothole busted up, because there's compaction down there, and that's why it's holding water. So we want to bust up the compaction at the bottom of it. That's what the soil conditioner does really good at. And then he will come back over with the material and you're not going to get it. You're not going to get it to show up later. And this is why potholes show up later, is because you don't get the compaction down at the bottom. You don't get that busted up, and so the water just sits there. And even though there's gravel on top, sitting on top of it, the water comes down into this spot and won't go away. It won't percolate through, and so it just sits there. And so over time, it just keeps sitting there, and then it gets soft, and the cars drive over, and it starts pushing the material out, and then that's how you get the pothole showing back up again. So if you ever had a pothole show back up again, that's likely your culprit. All right, so we've got the road all prepped. You might even hear the beeping behind me. That's because we got the first truck showing up. We're gonna have him spread it. Steve, the Wonder Spreader. He's gonna get mad at me for calling him that. But yeah, I think everything's good to go. And I was just talking with my son, we definitely made the right decision in bringing material. There just wasn't enough here, and as we started laying it out, you can see we didn't really go wider. You can see it just kind of sat down on it, and we didn't have the crown. So I don't think we would have I know we wouldn't have gotten where we need to go. So definitely a good decision on bringing in material. And hang around, we're gonna show you Steve's magic. All right, here we go. Here you go, my friends. That's how it's done. He's driving too fast and I ain't running. So there you go. That's how it's done. All right, well, we skipped a couple steps that we were able to show you, but you got the gist of it. Basically, at that point, once we started spreading, we just kept having good old Steve come back with more. He did the same beautiful spread each time, and then he did such a good job. We really didn't even have to touch it that much. A little bucket work, some rake work, and we were good to go. So here's how it turned out. And well, I appreciate you all hanging out, spending the time with us to see how this went, and hope you have a blessed day.